How to accept Slack invitation. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Quick Login and Delete, and today in this video we will see how to accept Slack invitation and also how to send one. Open your Slack app. Once you are here in this page, then click on the general option. Once you click on that, you'll come to this page. There you will see the option of add people. Click on that. Here you can see a couple of options that allows you to send invitation. So from here, I would like to choose the option that says add by email. Once you come to this page, simply type the email of that person that you want to send invitation to, and then click the send button. An invitation will be sent to that person's email, which will look like this. Click on the join now option to accept the invitation, and then go back to your Slack app. Go back, and over there you will see the name of the person that you just added. And that's it. That's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe.